Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and I came with a new concept. So if you guys are love to hack with your Android, then must watch this video. So first of all, open your Play Store and search for Termux. I given the download link in the description. Check it out guys, and I have already installed it. So when you opening Termux, first update your package by this command pkg space update. Okay, now it's updated. Let's install a package called git, and it will take some time, like 2 minutes, so you guys wait for it. Okay, now we need to give permissions to access our internal storage. So go to your phone settings and select apps option and then search for Termux. Searching. Yeah, here, got it. Click it and select permission options and then turn it on. Yeah, turn. Okay, now let's try some packages. Now installing toilet package. Type toilet and space, within double quotes type your sentence. So like this we can make any text with the use of toilet. So let's make another text. Toilet space minus f mono minus caps f space gay. Within double quotes type your sentence. Oops, sorry, I don't have that mono font, so let me try without the font. Yeah, nice to see the colored text. So you guys also can do it in your Termux. It looks nice. Yeah, really. Okay guys, now let's try our another package name called screen fetch. So type pkg space install space screen fetch. So now it's installing. Yeah, now it's installed. So just type screen fetch. So it will fetch your phone details and display it in this Termux. So you can see my OS Android 8.1.0 and my device name and RAM and ROM. Okay guys, now we came to end of our video. So if you guys like this video, put a like and leave a comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys.